Now I'm gonna put your ball down this Saturday. Another big rig just pulled in. Yeah, partly cloudy. It was foggy and drizzle most of yesterday, so good to see the sun again. Getting some charge. There's a big dog barking over there. Take a walk out and check out the camping farther down the shoreline. Yeah, walk out through the deep sand here. There's a big bunch of plywood right there. Somebody must have had a little shack or something they built out here. All right, here's the beach area. About 300 feet from where I'm camped. A little windy out here. Well, some people fishing out here. Don't catch anything. Motor vehicles prohibited on beach. You go pee on that? Oh, you're peeing like a boy dog, Rock. Get that on film. I see some surfers way down there. I'm gonna take a walk way down there and see what that looks like. I haven't been down that far. There's a Arago lighthouse out there. I think that's all shut down out there. The bridge going across over to it collapsed about 3 years ago, so you can't get out there. Well, maybe you can if it's low tide. There's a big hole in the wall out there I can see through. That'd be kind of cool. A neat spot. I'm going to drive over that way maybe tomorrow. There's some people flying kites down there. Come on, Rock. All right, I'm coming. Oh, lots of people out on the beach today, flying kites and having a good time. I'm about out of battery on this. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna have a wedding on the beach here. I think I met the guy over here that's doing the sandcastles, Paul. Nice guy. Told me about a few spots. He says you're allowed to camp up here. It's this all BLM land here, and there's people camped up here, so I'm gonna take a walk up and check this out. I might move over here. It's a nice oceanside camping spot here. I got a nice spot where I'm at up there, but this is a wide open ocean beach camping here, so might just have to move tomorrow. There's a mob of people out here today, but probably should clear out by tomorrow afternoon. Now here's the roadside parking along the road here. I thought this was a parking lot, but it's just pull off on the side of the road. There's a safari condo. That's kind of a neat little trailer. I talked to the guy in the Lance down there, and he thinks it's okay. Here, come on, Rock, get off the road. Come on. They're gonna have a wedding here, so I don't know where everybody's gonna park.